In this video, we're going to cover Marketing Hub Settings General. So to access this tab, you're going to click down here in this Settings button, and it'll take you to this page. And we're going to start with General. So under Profile here, this is where you have your business information, and it also allows you to have your lead name format. And so this is going to allow you to adjust how your leads are displayed in Marketing Hub. Do you want it to be first name, last name, or last name, first name? The default is first name, last name. Company details. This is basically a place where you insert your company details, and these are fields that you can use in your emails. So they will create merge fields, and you can use these in your headers and footers as well as your email. Put in your logo here, update. Notifications. So you're here on campaigns, and basically this is where you set up notifications of campaign statuses. So you will get sent an email. Let's just do edit here. This first checkbox, allow notifications. So if you turn that off, you will not get any. But looking at this as it stands now, you'll get an email every Sunday at midnight, and it will go to this person here. But the idea is this report actually looks like this. You can see here, campaign report. I got this Sunday at midnight, or actually at 3 a.m. But it shows me my sent campaigns here, and there's a link here for live report. So if I send 15 email campaigns out this week, you're going to see those 15 email campaigns in this report. And when you click on live report, it's going to take you to the report statuses. So we can click there, and you can see here, it takes you to the status. So this is something that we'll send once a week. You can choose to get a link or as a PDF. And so while this is how often you get a status update, there's another email that you will get. After you send an email campaign, after it's fully gone out, you will get a message just like this, and it basically gives you a summary of the email campaign you sent out, number of recipients, time when it was sent, the subject. And so this one does the once a week summary, and then down here this does your actual this section down here allows you to say, once I send a campaign, when will I see the notifications? And by default it is set to 1 day, and it's sent to link. So you can save those there. The other option here is mailing list. This is under notifications, mailing list. So right now we have this for opt-in. So right now you can see it's disabled. For list delete, right now the default behavior is disabled. So if we come in here and do edit, if we do want to, this is basically, every time somebody opts into your email list, you'll get a notification. You can make this be daily, weekly, or monthly, and you will have to select the mailing list that you want to be notified of. So if you have a newsletter, you could select a newsletter here, and every time somebody signs up for a news email letter, you would actually be notified via email. Same thing with for list delete. If we come down here, you can actually enable this, and by default it's just going to notify the list owner. But if you're an admin and you want to know when people delete things, you could put in your admin list, your admin email address here. And again, this is lists that are available under leads, manage lists. So these are your notification settings. Notify me when I delete or someone deletes a list. Notify me when somebody opts into a particular mailing list. Subscriptions is the last part of the general settings, and basically just tells you how many leads that you can have and when your account is up for renewal. And at the time of this recording, you could have 5,000 contacts or leads for every one Zoho license every Zoho 1 license that you have. So you can see here I have 30,000 leads available to me, and if you do the math, that means that I have 6 user licenses. So if I had 10 user licenses for my company, I could have 50,000 leads. And so this is something that could be important in the way that you synchronize your leads. If you have 100,000 leads in your CRM and a lot of them are junk and a lot of them you'll never reach out to, you might want to clean that up, because you will have a limit here. And you can click upgrade to add some credits here. And so that is basically it for Marketing Hub settings and everything under the General tab.